Like, I was thinking about one of the moments that had the biggest impact on me was in 2012 November. I had finished my bicycle tour across Asia. I was on a bus from, I think it was a town between Urumqi and Kashgar. I was going to a bus to get on a train station, and we got off for a rest. And these Han teenagers started pointing and talking about the dirty Uyghur girl on the bus. And they were talking about me. I just remember thinking, and they were speaking in Chinese. I remember thinking, one, you don't know me. Two, I'm not Uyghur. And three, that is the most bigoted, racist, hateful speech I have ever heard about a general, broad, sweeping assumption about a race. Like, and I just remember thinking, just my blood boiling and just thinking, yeah, I'm gonna fight this. So, like, it's one thing to experience racism, and it's like another experience racism for a race that you aren't even. And that reminds me, like, a couple months later, I was sitting in front of the mosque in Kashgar waiting to go out to the countryside, and this bus of Chinese Han photographers jumped out of the bus. It's sunrise, and they just come rushing over to me, sticking these big lenses in my face, photographing me. Oh, look at this Uyghur girl, blah 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 blah. And I can understand everything. And as a photographer, I'm just like, wow, this is offensive. And so I start shouting at them in Chinese, you stupid men. I'm not Uyghur. I'm American. And they were like, but you speak Chinese? And you look Uyghur, but you're American? And then they wanted to talk to me, and I was just so angry and so, like, just like, get out of my face. Like, don't talk to me. You don't treat people this way. And I was just like, I was like a zoo animal for them. And I was just like, this is so gross. And so now, like, when I see media coming out of East Turkestan of like here women dancing and their full like outfits, and I'm like, I wonder who's producing this. Like, it's this whole like voyeuristic, like colonialist attitude about these people that are just trying to survive.